How to fix waiting for an available server in Roblox. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to fix waiting for an available server in Roblox. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, open Play Store or App Store. Then here wait for a few seconds and then simply click onto the search menu. Then here search for Roblox. Then here click onto the application. Now here you can see an option named App Support. Simply click onto it. Then here click on Email. Wait until you will be redirected to the application's email. Now here simply describe your problem briefly, and if possible make sure to provide a screenshot as well. Then simply click on the send button on the top right corner. Then within couple of hours the team Roblox will reach out to you and then provide an appropriate fix to your problem. So in this very simple way you could fix your problem. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.